Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the toll plaza or the collection of toll at the toll plaza in Tollgate. Now this is part of Highway 2000 east-west leg. This highway takes you from Kingston to Mandeville. However, the Maypen to Mandeville section of the highway was built back in 2023. It opened in 2023. And since then, they have not been collecting toll. Now, they've always said toll would start on X date, and every time that date came around, there was a delay. So the latest date was December 1, 2025 for toll to be collected. And they have now pushed it back. They haven't put out a new date yet. They said they are still working on operational issues. So it's actually good news because you can use the toll plaza. This is actually the toll plaza. This is either a Maypen toll plaza or this is a Maypen toll plaza. It's just a toll plaza just like this, just that you don't have to stop. Actually, looks like vineyards. It's a toll plaza just like this on this exact same highway, but you just go right through. Now, what happened is when this road was originally built, it was to go from Kingston to Montego Bay. And Trans-Jamaica Highway was given the concession to collect toll on the entire stretch of highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. At the time they were given a concession, a foreign company was to build the road and use the toll to recoup the cost of the road. That worked well for sections from Kingston to Maypen. They are still collecting the toll, etc. Now, so they had a concession. They built the highway from Kingston to Maypen. And then for some reason, the government of Jamaica spent $188 million to build a section of highway from Maypen to Mandeville. The government, not the company that holds the concession. So the government spent $188 million US to build the road, but the other company, Trans-Jamaica Highway, has the concession to collect toll on it. So that is what is causing the delay. The government wanted to sell the road to Trans-Jamaica Highway for $188 million US, but the Trans-Jamaica Highway said they're not interested in buying the road. So they have been back and forth trying to work out some arrangement, and I guess whatever they worked out, apparently they haven't worked it out yet. That's why the toll is still free. Now this benefits everybody, the free toll. The motorists get to drive from Mandeville to Maypen toll free. Game changer. Trans-Jamaica Highway benefits because people are getting on the highway using the free section, which they spent $0 to build, and just staying on the highway and going all the way to Kingston. So their revenue has actually increased on the sections where they collect toll. So it's a win-win for everybody, but I guess they're going to start charging toll eventually one day. The good thing is it won't be for 2025. So motorists can enjoy the free toll at this time. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.